Today I'm making focaccia muffins. These warm and delicious muffins are savory, delicious, and super easy to make. And you're going to start by adding to a bowl half a cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then you're going to mix them together using my tiny whisk. The link in the description to the one I use is below. Mix it together, set it aside until it becomes frothy. And then you're going to add in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And mix, mix, mix. And don't be afraid, this is going to be a very sticky dough. So if it doesn't look like it's coming together, that's normal. It'll be fine. So keep mixing, and then you're going to cover it up and let it rest until it doubles in size. And while you're waiting, you can get your muffin tin ready and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And so for your muffin pan, add in a little bit of olive oil to each slot. And then when your dough is ready, add in about 3 tablespoons of your dough to each muffin slot. And the full recipe to this will be down below. And then you're going to set aside your muffins for 10 minutes. And then when they're ready, you're going to dimple the dough with your fingers. Make sure your hands are wet, otherwise they're going to get sticky. And then add in some olive oil on top and some flaky salt. And the link to the flaky salt I made, it will be down below in the description. And then you're just going to bake these in a 425 degree oven for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. Plate up your muffins, and then what I like to do is grate some Parmesan cheese on top of my muffins while they're still warm so it gets like melty, and then drizzle on some really good olive oil and enjoy your focaccia muffins.